and thank you to all of our new subscribers. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Creativity Castle.
It's time again to be creative.
My name is Sauerpuss, and I am really excited because this month we'll be drawing creative cats with me, Sauerpuss.
Yay!
Each Friday episode, I will be drawing different types of creative kitty cats. Meow, 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 meow. And because last week we finished up our dog month with a more realistic drawing, today I will draw our first kitty cat to look a little bit more realistic. If you like our video, please subscribe today. And by clicking the bell, you will be notified of our next video.
And give us a thumbs up.
I have a special creative kitty to draw, and this one comes all the way from Singapore. Singapore is a beautiful country in Asia. It is also known as a garden city. My friend Jeff from Singapore sent in a picture of his little kitty. His cat is named Teddy. Teddy doesn't look like such a small little kitty to me. But he sure is a cutie. I will be using this photo of Teddy as a reference as I begin to draw this cute little kitty cat. So if you're ready,
Yay!
all you need is a pencil and some paper. I will be starting to draw a light sketch of Teddy with a 2H pencil. I begin with circles to frame in the head. I do this to draw the proportions of the cat's head correctly. This drawing will be a 3/4 view of the kitty. As I lightly sketch, I do my best to position all of the kitty's features in the right place. This includes the eyes, the nose, the mouth, as well as the ears. I start out lightly sketching just in case I need to modify the positions of any of the features as I continue to draw. At this point, I am happy with my initial sketch. Next, I will use a darker pencil to really bring out the details in Teddy. Using a 4B pencil, I begin on the left side of the kitty cat and begin to sketch out the details. If you like this drawing, remember to give us a thumbs up below. By pressing down lighter with the pencil, the fur looks lighter, and by pressing down harder, I can make the fur appear darker. This way, we can start to see the different shades in Teddy's fur. And as always, I enjoy drawing the eyes. The eyes give life to what you are drawing. Teddy's eyes appear to look like they are glowing. They are so light and yellow. You can see the video of this drawing has been sped up. This drawing took about 1 hour to draw. As you can see, I continued to sketch out the entire head of Teddy. Notice all the different details in Teddy's face, from his eyes to his nose to all the different tones of gray in Teddy's fur. And look especially at the different pattern around the muzzle of Teddy. You can see all the dark little spots around his mouth. And here we are almost finished with this pencil sketch of Teddy.
He's cute!
Here we have our sketch of Teddy. Now we are going to take this sketch and take it into a digital software program called Adobe Photoshop. We are going to add some more color and dimension to this drawing. I will first begin coloring in Teddy's bright yellow eyes. And next, I will begin to bring color to Teddy's fur. Teddy is a British short hair blue. This type of kitty cat has a gray coat of fur, but in certain light, this kitty cat has a blue tint to his fur. I like British Shorthair blues because I too am blue. So let's bring out some of the bluish gray tones in Teddy. With Photoshop, I use different size brushes and different colors to color in Teddy's fur and all the other details on Teddy's face. And in some areas of Teddy, I need to make the fur a little lighter, and other places I need to make the fur a little darker. I'll continue to color my way around Teddy's head. And I won't forget to bring out the little whiskers on Teddy's face. I really enjoy coloring in all the little details of Teddy. Even his nose is fun to color in. And now I will use white to blend in the background to create a soft edge around Teddy's head. And now it's time to bring out some finishing details and highlights on Teddy. As you can see, we have also sped up this video of me coloring in Teddy using Photoshop. This took about 30 minutes to color in.
That looks really good, Sauerpuss! Way to go!
I sure hope you enjoyed this first creative drawing, Cats, with me, Sauerpuss. See you next time.
Tschüss!
And remember to
Be creative!
thank you to all of our new subscribers.
Be sure to visit us at Sauerpuss